This is the weather in metropolitan Detroit. Actually, I am in Livonia, Michigan. And this is the weather. Let me take my phone down. It is terrible out here. People are, DoorDash are sending you pissy, fucky ass rides. They think you're going 9 and 10 miles for $5 and $6. In a minute, I'm gonna wait a few minutes. I'm gonna go down here by IHOP, and then I'm gonna go home. There is no way in hell that I would deliver anything in this weather for the little bit of money that these customers are trying to pay. I'm also a customer, and I wouldn't dare ask anybody to come out in this fucking blizzard for $3 and $4 and $5. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it to you, so don't fucking do it to me. It is terrible out here.